Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down the comments down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great. Anywho, if you read from my title, I have 2 subscriptions that I'm going to be unboxing or unbagging, and they are my handbag subscriptions. So every month I get BOLZANO, which I do get free for review, and then I purchase a handbag subscription called IVORY CLASP. So we're going to be unboxing, I don't know how you want to say it, the August 2019 subscription. So let's get into it and see what we got this month. All right, so this I opened up here because I tried to take a thumbnail. So this is the BOLZANO. So what this is, there's different subscriptions you can get. You can get just the regular handbag or purse or pocketbook, however you want to call it. And I believe it's like $28. And then you can get the handbag and the accessories for a little bit more. And then they have a luxe one where you can get the jewelry, the accessories, and the handbag, which I do enjoy. And then we have this little puppy right here, IVORY CLASP. And what this is, you just get the handbag, and I believe if you just get, like, if you pay it monthly, it's like around $45 or $49, something like that. But then if you get it for like 3 months, 6 months, you can get it a little bit cheaper. So let's open up this one because this one's an easy one. You only get the handbag here. Like I said, I do pay for this. Now, I did get a 3-month subscription, and I thought I canceled it, but I did not. So they charged me for another 3 months. So I'm going to make sure I go in and cancel this because how many handbags can you get? All right, so let's open this puppy up and see what it looks like. With this, I do want to tell you too, what I like about this subscription, you can either choose to get it every month, bi-monthly, or every 3 months. So I like that as well, that you can choose, you know, when you want to get it. All right, let me try to open this up. Because I just cut the tape. All right, so that's what it looks like. One thing I do not like about it, you do not get like a dust bag or anything like that. If I'm over here, it's because I don't want to shake the table. So I really wish that you get a dust bag with this. Also, you can pick out which one you want to, or you could put surprise me. All right, so this is what this month is. It comes just like that. It wasn't even really like wrapped up. All right, so this is like the smaller one, which they have like a small, a medium, and like a big, a large one. And you do a profile, and they ask you a lot of questions. So, all right, let's see what it looks like. All right, so this is actually really nice. So this is IVORY. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but this is really pretty. Oh, so it's red and it has like a blue here, and then this is even like red and blue. I like the detail on that, and look, isn't that different how it closes like that? That's pretty cool. This is probably one of the first bags of this that I really like. So you can either clamp it like that, or you can leave it with its knot where it's a little bit bigger. All right, and then it has like a little zipper here. This is really pretty. All right, so here is a belt if you want. Oh, even the belt has the red and blue. I love this so much. I tend to like the medium size purses, but this is really pretty. I mean, I really like this. And then look in here. Okay, so then you have right here where you could put like sunglasses in. Oh, that's awesome. Or anything you could do there. This is really nice. All right, and then you have right here, you can put something in, but basically, you know, you just can throw whatever in there. I love this so much. I really do. And that's really it for that, like I said, so you can kind of like wear it like this, or you could put the belt on and wear it here, or even like a crossbody, you know, but that's pretty. It would be perfect if it was a little bit bigger, but I mean, listen, I really like this. And you could take this off if you don't like it. I would keep it on. I think it's beautiful. All right, so I think I definitely got my money's worth because I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Now, you could choose to get leather or vegan leather, you know, but, and I wish, oh, even the bottom, like, look at the detail with the blue. That's gorgeous. I don't know how many times I can keep saying how gorgeous it is, but I wish it came with like a little paper that would told you a little bit about the bag, you know, and how much the retail value is. All right, so that is the Ivory Clasp. If they all came like that, I was excited, I would actually keep it because I love purses. I love shoes. I love makeup. All right, so now we have the BOLZANO. All right, and so this is what it looks like. Well, it comes with the duster bag every month, which I love that. And then in the bag was this. So I think this month, it's not the luxe. I believe this is just the like accessories or companions and then the purse. All right, so let's open her up and see what this is. Again, with this, you fill out a profile and they ask a lot of questions. So I also with this, if you get a purse that you don't like, but it is in the category that you chose that you like, then you pay for shipping and then they'll send you another one. Now, if it's something that's totally out of your category or a color that you don't like that you put on there, then they will pay for the shipping to ship it back and then they'll send you another one. So you're not stuck with something you don't like, which I do like that. I think that's really nice. All right, come on, Ann. All right. Ooh, this is pretty too. This is almost kind of, now this is the size that I like. I wish that red one was this size, but this is almost like the same style. And this is like a cobalt blue, or I don't know how you say it. This is really, really pretty. So you have the BOLZANO right there, and then you have this, which you could take this off or leave it on. And then, you know, you would take this off. All right, so let's take this off so we can get a better look at it. Where's my knife? All right. Oh my God, why? Let's see. I want to cut it. All right, so we'll just do that for now. All right, so that's what it looks like there. So you can unsnap it. All right, so this part doesn't come out, the middle part. So then you have a little separation there and there. So let's see. Oh, inside is stuff. Okay. So there we go. So inside is more stuff. This is really nice. Like, let me just show you here. So you have a zipper right here. You can put your keys or anything in. And then you have, look, in the pockets they put stuff. You have like 2 pockets there, if you guys can see. And then here is the belt. So if you don't want to just use that, you can, you know, hook the belt onto these little thingies right there. This is really pretty. I think if I had to choose which one I like better, I like the red and blue style better, but I wish it was this size. But this is gorgeous too. I mean, it is so pretty. All right, so you do get a sheet. They just started this the last few months. It tells you about your bag right there. So let's see. It says, this month we've chosen our Eleonora bag especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather, so it's not real leather. And it has a retail value of $195. Guys, and because I have the companions and accessories, it's $43. But like I said, you don't have to get all that. You could just get the handbag. I mean, you definitely get your money's worth. And then here it just tells you, you know, a little bit about your pocketbook. So, all right. So let's see what our jewelry is for this month. And one thing I like about too, there's always things in like all the pockets and stuff. I think it's really nice how they do it. All right, so the first thing we got is this bracelet right here. That's really pretty. All right, so that's what it would look like. It's a little big for me, but it's pretty. I would still wear it. I don't know, it might fall off, but I do like it. All right, and then we have this other bracelet here. So that's really pretty. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, so this is a little big as well. But sometimes, you know, people like to wear it up here. I don't really get into bracelets. I hate the feeling when you have something on your arms. I don't even like to wear my wedding ring. A lot of times when I'm home, I take it off, you know? But that's really pretty. Like, I would give this to my daughter. She would definitely wear it. And it's silver, which I love silver or white gold, better than like gold. All right, so let's see what this is. This looks like it's a necklace. Sometimes you might get earrings, sometimes you know, it all depends. All right, so this is a 3-layer necklace. I don't want to take this out now and waste more time because we're already at the 10-minute mark. So this is really, really pretty. It matches the bracelet, and it's nice. It goes 3 layers. I really like that a lot. I'll definitely wear that. I wish they had like earrings to match, but hey, you could wear any silver earrings. That is nice. All right, so that's the jewelry that we got. Let me make sure everything's out here because sometimes she hides stuff. Yeah, I think that's everything. All right, so these are what you would call the companions. So let's see what's in here. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. I really like this subscription. I get excited every month when it comes. Ooh, so you always get like makeup, or you can get some jewelry. It all depends. All right, so the first thing that I'm seeing is, which be? Is this eyeliner? Perfect, yeah, so you got 2 eyeliners right there. And then on this end is like the smudger brush. All right, what colors are you? What'd you be? This is from Desi. All right, so one is gray. And what color are you? In black. So you got black and you got gray. All right. Then we have, this little perfume. This reminds me of the Kim Kardashian, the little perfume that was shaped as her body. All right, so let's take a sniff and see what it smells like. This is nice to like put on your shelf or something for decoration. All right. Oh my God, that is teeny tiny. Look how small. I wish I was this shape. I was like that years ago. All right, so let's see. Do you take the cap off? How do you open this? Okay, yeah. So you just open it up and you would, you know, like go like this. I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Oh, I don't think I care for this. I don't know. It's okay, but it reminds me of like when you ever go to Macy's or JCPenney's or anywhere where they're always like spraying samples. I don't know, but I love the packaging. But this isn't awful, like, you know. All right, and last but not least is this eye cream from L'Oreal. So I love getting eye cream. So yeah, so that's everything that we got in our BOLZANO for $43. And then the IVORY CLASP, you just get the purse, which is a really good made pocketbook. I'm not knocking it, but I just wish I had a dust bag. And I knew when I purchased it, you just get the bag. But if you're going by value, you definitely get more value in the BOLZANO. I really, like I said, I do look forward to it every month, you know. The only better thing with the IVORY CLASP is you can pick it. You don't have to get it every month if you don't want. BOLZANO, it's month to month. But I do like with BOLZANO because if you don't like the bag, you can always get it exchanged. All right, so that's everything. So comment down below, what do you like better? Which style bag did you like better this month? Did you like the IVORY CLASP? So did you like the red and blue one? Or did you like the BOLZANO, the blue one? Let me know which one you like better. And let me know what you think of handbag subscriptions. Do you like it? Let me know all the tea. And that's everything, guys. Please rate this video. So like it if you like it. Dislike it if you don't. But let me know because it does help me out. Make sure that you subscribe. And turn your post notification bell on so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Because we all know YouTube isn't doing that anymore. And also for my future giveaways. And that's everything, guys. I love you so much. And don't forget to comment down below how your day was. All right. I will see you in my next video. Bye.